Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And if you guys can get me to 10,000 subscribers by the end of June, which is like 2,000 subs or so, maybe 1,900 now, if you guys can somehow push that, then I will get the Jeep logo tattooed on me. So that's a challenge for you guys, so make sure you guys subscribe to be a part of that. Now today, I'm going to be testing some Walmart products, so we're actually going to head out and see if we can do that, because as you guys can see, hopefully, the Jeep is probably the dirtiest it's ever been. It's really bad with pollen and stuff lately. I wash it and then the next day, the next 10 minutes after, it's already covered in pollen again like this. So it's just been caking on, and it's super annoying. Now another thing with that is the interior, because I drive with the windows down a lot, just listening to music, enjoying the weather. So what happens is the pollen and all the dust and everything that's going around everywhere right now just gets inside, so it's everywhere. So I'm gonna be like kind of detailing the inside, but I just really want to test some different products from Walmart for you guys, because a lot of people ask me about detailing products and like interior and cleaning and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go head there and buy some stuff, and I'll show you guys what I get, and then we'll test some different stuff and see if it actually works, if it doesn't, and clean the Jeep, because it's dirty. And we have this Jeep meet coming up on Monday, which you guys are probably watching this on Monday. I'm probably at the event filming for Wednesday's video, so make sure you guys check that video out Wednesday when it comes out. But let's just go ahead and head to Walmart now.
Stop the cap.
Alright, so Chemical Guys always has mixed reviews, so that's kind of another reason I want to do this, because personally I don't have any issues with them, and they're fairly priced and they're decent product, and you can get them at like Walmart or any store. So yeah, I saw this, and like I said, I only had one hand to carry stuff, so I was thinking I was going to grab a bunch of stuff, but I didn't grab a cart, so kind of did that to myself. So I just grabbed this. It's like a interior essentials kit or something like that. I already have the total interior spray, and I like it, and I've used it on the interior up here several times. This is going to come with a bunch of different stuff here in the back. You can see, I'll read it all off here. We got clean the interior with the total interior cleaner and protectant, and then step 2, we're going to protect it with the silk shine protectant, which I've never used that. And then you have the window cleaner, so it's basically Windex, and yeah, but like I said, it's super dusty in here, so I really need to get in here and clean it all. Obviously I already have microfiber towels, but it does come with a microfiber towel, which I think is just one microfiber towel. It's a 16 by 16, you can see there. So yeah, we'll check that out. And then a premium applicator for cleaning. I don't know, I've never used a premium applicator, which is just a sponge, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I just went ahead and grabbed this, like I said, because this is a quick test of basically everything you need for an interior, and what better way than to do it when I'm cleaning the interior. We'll see if these products are good or if they're a joke, and I'll let you guys know, I guess, based on how it performs in here. So I forgot to mention the price. This was $19.97, so 20 bucks basically, and you can clean your whole interior, assuming the products are actually decent, or actually somewhat decent, and they actually will clean the interior. I'm assuming they're going to be fine though, so let's just go ahead and jump into it and start cleaning it. Like I said, I'm going to try and just use everything that's in this package and just see how it works. I think it's going to be fine, and it's going to clean up all this dust in here nicely. The only thing that I'm going to use that's not included in that is some little detailing brushes, and obviously a vacuum, because I don't think they're going to fit a vacuum inside that little box. But let's just go right into it and see what we can get done. So here's what we're working with. You can see down in here even, it's all filled up with dust and stuff, but for the most part everywhere is just covered in dust. Like you can really see it here. Hopefully it's just like, you see it, it's like pollen, dust everywhere. One of the best ways for me to clean that is just going to be with a detail brush and a vacuum, but obviously some spots like down here are going to have to just be vacuumed and cleaned out, but there's just dust everywhere. So this is going to be a good way to clean this and protect it. So I just want to give you a quick little example to show you how dusty everything actually is. Having the windows down is just killing me lately, so yeah, hopefully this makes it nice. And then I guess I should probably clean the outside, but I'm gonna wait on that. So let's just do it. All right, so my first step here, remove the mats, vacuum everything, and then we can actually test these products and see if they're gonna be good. But everything needs to be vacuumed like first, because there's just, it's bad, it's bad. So here's what we're working with after just a quick vacuum. Pretty much it was just crumbs and stuff everywhere. You can see right here though, there's like some like coffee or something that got spilled. You know, we love coffees out here. Yeah, so I just did a super quick vacuum though and just went around and kind of did that. The dash and everything is still super dusty and dirty, so I'm interested to see how these cloths and the different things that come in this kit are gonna work. Also some stuff that someone got here on my passenger seat. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how this works on all this and whatever. So let's just kind of test it out. So let's see what we got in the box here, if we can open it up. All right, so we got some total interior. Like I said, apparently you can use this on everything: dash, glass, navigation, and more. So I'm basically just gonna use this on everything, which is what I used it on before. So like I said, I have used that before. Here's the microfiber cloth. It's higher quality than the cheap ones that I buy usually, but it's a nice little rag. You can see here, both sides, you know, same thing, but decent cloth, so I'm sure that'll help get the dust up with the total interior. This is a little microfiber sponge applicator kind of deal. It's just a squishy sponge. I don't understand. I've never used anything like this on the interior, so that's gonna be kind of, I don't know when I'm gonna use. I guess just use that and then you wipe it up with the other, I don't know. Here's the streak-free window cleaner, which is basically just a big bottle of Windex. So we're gonna obviously use that on the windows, because I don't think I've ever washed the windows on the inside like that, so that should be good. And then this one is Silk, Shine, and Protect. So vinyl, rubber, and plastic. So basically this is just gonna be over pretty much everything after I wash it or wipe it down with that. We're gonna have some fun here, I guess, and just test these things out and see how they work. Like I said, I've never used anything other than the total interior here, so we'll see how it goes. If it's good, then I'll let you guys know. If it's bad, then I'll also let you guys know. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it and test out this total interior. Alright, so I just did everything with the total interior here, which I know some of you guys are going to comment down below and say that I should be using Griot's Garage. Why are these chemicals guys? You know, Griot's Garage, another place, you know what I mean? There's other companies like that. I'm not a detail guy. Like, I don't care about like super good detailing. That's not like what I am, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not like that type of person, but I do like a clean car in a way. So Chemical Guys does a good job at targeting just the average everyday person like me, which is kind of what my channel is targeted to, which is the average everyday guy who wants to just quickly clean their car and call it a day. So this one, good. Now it's on to the next step. Now let's go ahead and try this Silk Shine Protectant, just kind of on the dash first, see how it works. I'm just gonna use the same rag because, like I said, I'm not a big, I don't really care too much about it as far as like, you know what I mean, like interior stuff, even exterior. I don't really care that much. I'm just gonna go ahead and give her a go. So this stuff sprays out. It looks kind of like a substance that you might know. It looks like nut, and yeah, it just kind of, the spray is not the best on it. It's kind of thick, which is a little strange. Like, I don't know if they're just bottling it and selling it like somehow. But yeah, you just kind of rub this into your dash and stuff, and it's supposed to protect it. I don't know if it really will. Like I said, only time will really tell with that. But yeah, it's supposed to help with the UV protectant. So, I mean, it goes on okay. It just looks like nut. I don't really have a good review of this, but I'm sure it works for what it says it's supposed to work for. Like I said, I'm not a detail guy. All right, so here you go. Here's a final look. Obviously, the outside of the window is still super dirty. Hopefully you can see there. I haven't washed the outside because I'm waiting for this thing on Monday. There's no point because it's just gonna get super polleny and dirty again. So You can see the inside though is really clean now, and it gives it like a nice shine without like adding that like sticky, tacky, greasy feeling, which is nice. So overall, a positive review. Like I said, it's one of those like things for the everyday consumer. It's not for a super detail guy. So if you guys are those people who want super detail stuff, then don't get it maybe. For me, this works exactly perfectly to just quickly clean and do what it needs to do. Overall, it made everything a lot cleaner, less dusty, and pretty much that's all I needed. All right, so that's probably gonna be about it for this video, guys. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys use. If you guys use any products from like Walmart or AutoZone or anything like that, that's not like a super expensive detailing stuff, because like I said, this video is gonna be targeted more towards just the average everyday guy like me that just wants to quickly clean their car and give it a good little wash down and make it not all dirty and make it somewhat nice and a little bit protected. So I think Chemical Guys does a good job at targeting that audience without having a really expensive price range. So overall, thumbs up on the products, and I recommend them for an average everyday person who wants to go spend 20 bucks clean the interior of their car. Then it's a good product for you. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash the like button down below, help the YouTube algorithm, help this video get out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. And of course, like I said, if you guys can get me to that 10,000 subscriber mark by the end of June, then I will get the Jeep logo tattooed on me. So if you guys are up for that challenge, click the subscribe button now. Of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
I feel like I am losing